Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we have a very cool new addition. Now, this is a 2021 Bronco Wildtrak, 4-door, Sasquatch package, Velocity Blue, which I absolutely love. This is what I ordered, but a 2-door. And what else, little other knickknacks does this have? This has the 2.7, of course, with the advanced 4x4. It's the 10-speed automatic, soft top. Haven't had any hard tops come in, but Lord have mercy, does this look absolutely incredible. I love these modular bumpers. You can see with the Lux package, you get the sensors in the front. I believe that's with the Lux, and you have the camera really hidden. I hate when they start getting obnoxious with these cameras. This truck just sits so good, and I've always been on the fence about getting the running boards on the side. With these ones, they sit so well, even with the running boards. This Velocity Blue, easily my favorite color. The black on black looked really nice, but this is absolutely a standout. You see the logo here. And the Wildtraks, I also believe you get these painted mirror caps. And then also, if you look around here, my hand's kind of chubby fingers, but this ring around, the beauty ring, is going to be black as well as this black gloss finish up here. It just looks really aggressive. The LEDs look awesome. Little teaser, you get the Bronco logo in there. You have your tie downs, good for 150 pounds. Now this is a demo unit, so at least to my knowledge at this moment, it's a demo, so we are going to be allowing test drives on it, to my knowledge. And I think they're going to be rigging this up with our accessories department and just going hog wild. So I'm not 100% sure what's going on, but I do know this is going to be here for a little bit. What's up, Mario? This thing looks amazing.
Did you order this color?
I did order this color. You got the really cool Bronco logo there. If the customer doesn't like the sticker, of course we'll take the sticker off. I don't own the dealership. The owners do that on all the new vehicles. The license plate frame as well. I get lots of complaints for that. These LED lights look great. I'm a single loaner, so the 2-door is more enough for me, but you definitely get a lot more space with the 4-door. So you got these tie downs here. You can lift up as well. Your connectors for I believe that's for the washer and wiper in the back. Ford might be selling that as a kit separately. Who knows? I mean, this has been an awfully crazy release. But whew. All right, a couple more minutes, Johnny. I'm almost there. Now this has the leather with vinyl interior. It looks really nice. I don't think anyone's gonna be complaining. I'm more simplistic, so I don't, black on black would be just fine with me. You can kind of see you have this blue contrast here with the black stitching, and the seats themselves are really well put together. Lux package, you have the electric. You see you have this cubby here. Your light controls. You see the handle. The handle's really nice, has the blue contrast as well. Not gonna spend too much time in here. There's a million people that want to look at this thing right now. Black Diamond, or not Black Diamond, Bang & Olufsen sound system. You have a little hub for accessories, as well as this is a mounting point, the accessory ready mounting point. That's so cool. God, I love Ford. Now, traction control, hazards. I believe this is the turn assist, so you can lock a rear wheel and turn. You have a rear locker, and dare I say a front locker? I think I have to learn what this one is. Maybe like a disconnect or something. You'll get the new sync entertainment system up here. It's kind of like a dual screen action. You can have two screens up at the same time. You could cycle through that information by doing the up and down arrows. Freaking badass, guys. What a home run. You can see Ford manufactured, wireless charging point, USB-C, GOAT modes, and you have your mirror controls that are in the center console because you can take the roof and the doors off and all that stuff, like you all know. So, oh, and steering wheel thing, I like the buttons that they're like covered and like rubberized. I think that's really cool, and they're also intuitive. But auxiliary switches up here, garage door. Yeah, I wouldn't mind one. Yep. I ordered this color in two-door.
Yeah?
Yep.
You ordered one for you?
I ordered like 6 months ago. And this is the soft top.
Like this?
Like almost like, I mean, I don't think there's anything like this, but alright. And you got your back seat here. You know, complaints I've heard is just the ventilation kind of goes out through the floor, so that is a little bit of a nick. But other than that, what a home run. Let's see here. Oh, here, I'll get you some door frame. I know everyone's concerned about the paint. Paint looks good. Alright. Well, if you guys want to see more Bronco content, more Ford content, more car content, this is my shebang. And look forward to uploading, especially when mine comes in. So please like, subscribe, anything. We're trying to reach that 1,000 mark threshold, and have a great one, guys.